Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. Gut microbiome contributes differently to obesity onset in men and women. Fine study. A new research being presented at this year's European Congress on Obesity identified changes in the composition of gut bacteria that may play a key role in the onset and development of obesity, with differences in men and women, which might affect the metabolism of different nutrients and therefore the presence of bioactive molecules in the gut that influence the development of metabolic disease. The gut microbiota consists of a complex community of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, which inhabit the gastrointestinal tract. Disruption in this community significantly affects metabolic health and influences the risk of certain diseases, including obesity. However, it is still unclear which species represent a greater or lesser likelihood of developing obesity, as well as the impact of these species on our metabolic health. In the study, researchers analyzed metagenomic and metabolic data from a Spanish population to understand how gut microorganisms contribute to obesity development. They examined fecal metabolites produced by gut bacteria during food metabolism, impacting health. The study included 361 adults classified based on obesity levels. Genetic microbiota profiling was done to identify the different types, composition diversity, and relative abundance of bacteria present in stool samples of the participants.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
The results reveal that individuals with a higher obesity index had a lower level of C minuta associated with health. In men, higher abundance of P. helicogens and C. canadentis correlated with increased BMI, fat mass, and waist circumference. Conversely, in women, higher level of P. micans, P. brevis, and P. saccharoidata predicted higher BMI, fat mass, and waist circumference, but not in men. Gut microbiome composition, specifically higher levels of Cristinella minuta bacterium, appeared to protect against obesity, whereas the species that influence the risk of developing obesity appears to be different between the sexes, and interventions to help prevent an obesity-favorable microbiome may need to be different in men and women. Further research is needed to better understand when the switch to an obesity-favorable gut microbiota may take place, and therefore the right timing for possible intervention. So Dr. Paula Aronas, lead author from the Center of Nutrition Research at the University of Navarra in Spain. Our findings reveal how an imbalance in distinct bacterial groups are likely to play an important role in the onset of development of obesity, with considerable differences between the sexes, which might affect the metabolism of different bioactive molecules present in the metabolome that influence the development of metabolic disease. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.